Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open on-screen keyboard on Windows 10 PC. For this, you can use several methods such as run command. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and here type OSK and then click on this one OK button. This will open on-screen keyboard. Otherwise, you can search for on a screen keyboard. Just click on this one start button or search box and then type on a screen keyboard. Clicking on this one, you can also open on a screen keyboard. Otherwise, click on this one start button, select settings. Here, click on this one ease of access. Then scroll down in the left sidebar at the bottom and under interaction section, click on this one keyboard. On the right, you will find use your device without a physical keyboard option. Under that, turn on this one toggle switch that says use the on-screen keyboard. This will also open on-screen keyboard. And if you prefer to use keyboard shortcut, you can use this one Windows plus Control plus O to turn on a screen keyboard on your Windows 10 PC. Using same keyboard shortcut, you can turn off the on a screen keyboard also.